Hey, profit takers, welcome back. So I'm just going to cover a few of the signals from the Profit Takers Alert dashboard that I took today. Um, Gold being one of them. It was for me, a classic day two trend trade, right? And that's when we have a new peak, which came in on Friday. And today I was expecting, to go long. So earlier sessions were able to go long, even in the London session. And then also for me in New York, I was able to take this long. So now, guys, now this would also be a green day for tomorrow. Like once the markets open up again, this is going to turn to a 2, right? And then this will be your third day trade. And so I would look to see if the opportunity for this sideways price action to go up into this area here for tomorrow to go long again. So that's what I'm looking at for tomorrow. All right. NASDAQ was also this was a day 3 continuation trade, which I'm still in. So, and the way sometimes your day 3s can either be continuations or they can be reversals, but because price, opened up right here was the high of the day right here. Okay. You got to really look left to see if there's a high at the open of the market. And then of course we had the open price or the close price, whichever one of those that you may be using. Price stayed above it. And of course the previous day high. So there's like 3 levels here, right? You can barely see the previous day high one, but I'm going to do it right here. There's 3 levels of some major support here to take this 3-day trade long. Okay. So that was another signal. Now DJ was a little different. It was 3 days from the peak. And this was like my favorite 33 trade, right? Because you see here it has a 3-3. I call it's just the PTAD 33. So basically, it's 3 days of the markets breaking out. So today I was waiting for a reversal at the high, and we got it. Okay. I believe this was at market open. 9:15 is when this thing started to really start to push. And yeah, and then we had a reversal at the low here. All right. It didn't quite go as far up as I thought it would, but this was the trade that I was looking for, and I took that one. So that was great. So tomorrow on this particular pair, I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm going to wait and see. We do have a low here. I don't know if it's going to, go short or not, because technically it's closing above the open price again today. So it may give us another opportunity to go long before it goes short again. I don't know. So we just have to kind of wait and see how price behaves tomorrow. Okay. The dollar CAD, this one I was looking for short trade. And because it still, only broke the low once. We still had one break, and we had a low from Friday here. So that's what I kind of used to guide me into this trade. Again, we have another low here today. So we may also still get an opportunity, right, to, break this, and then we'll have 2. Or maybe the market resets. Now, here's the thing. Maybe it doesn't get to 380R, right? But this low inside here, and it's still within this range, and prices did close below the open. This is still giving me a signal to go short again tomorrow. And depending on where price is by the time I get here, I'll likely take my target right here. Right, it's just right at the 380R. Now 380R, this is not always, it often I often like to use, 1 to 2 ADR. Sometimes it gets to 3 and it goes beyond, which is great. And sometimes it just doesn't. It's just a guide. It's not anything to be just to stick towards. I'm just looking at what price is doing right now. And we have this low. And then, of course, like I said, price closed below the open. So I'm still going to consider this market to go short tomorrow. Okay. What else can I look at real quick before I hop off here? I'm just gonna pick something, I guess. Oh, let's look at the dollar Swiss. This was 4 days from the peak and only two breaks. Now, I was looking at this morning as a possible opportunity to short, and I had my little area there marked off, but as we can see, nothing happened. Nothing happened today. Again, we have this low here from Friday, and we have another low here today. So perhaps, guys, we may get an opportunity to take this short tomorrow. And as you can see, it has cleared 380R. So I don't know if I don't know exactly what it's going to do, but as we can see here, it's still closed above the open. So I don't know, this range here may provide or may not. We may be able to take this short, and if we do, I would go right to this low, and that's it. Because at that point, it could start preparing. Now you're in level 3, and it could just start preparing to go long eventually. And you know how the Swissy is; it can take up to 2 days in the range before anything happens. So this range could just be one of the second inside days, because it'll be inside for 2 days, right? Sometimes that happens all the time. So this is another one just to keep your eye on. If it does go, and if it does go short real quick, it's not anything that you want to hold until you have absolute confirmation that the market is actually going in that direction. All right. So guys, again, this is a Profit Taker's dashboard. It is available for you to try for free. You can go to the website. I'm just hopping on over there here real quick so I can show you. Okay. Just go to the website. You can try it for 14 days for free. All right. We're having a sale right now. So if you do like it, you can just buy it. And this is a lifetime offer. And the cool thing, it's a bundle. You get both MT4 and MT5 if you decide to do the lifetime access. Other than that, and again, this is just limited time only, guys. So once it's over, it's over. But again, you can try it for free and see if you like it. Try it before you buy it. All right, guys, that is all I have for now. Thank you for watching. We will see you in the next one.